Hey everyone, Mike here, Global Voodoo. In this video, I will show you how to remove permanent marker or any type of ink off of NES Nintendo games. All you need is a magic eraser, a little water, and a towel. Simply just tear off a little of the magic eraser. A small piece goes a long way. Next, get the eraser wet and start wiping it directly to the mark on the game. As you can see, this is very easy to do, and this will work on almost any video game cartridge, system, CD case, books, toys, you name it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Remember to visit me on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.